Good morning, y'all. I'm at Starbucks. I'm getting a little, I don't know if I want coffee. I want a refresher. It's a very gloomy day outside. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I don't know what I want yet. But we'll figure it out when we get to the intercom. It's like automatically it comes to you when you get to the intercom. What have y'all been up to, you guys? I've been up to everything up under the sun. But hold on, let me order my drink. Yeah, so I got a refresher. I don't need that much to drink. Honestly, I should probably be drinking water right now because I didn't drink water upon waking up this morning. So, anyways, I'm on the way to get my braids done this morning. This is my birthday weekend and we gotta look cute for the weekend, okay? I love my face. I love how my face is looking right now. So adorable. And this little bonnet, I cannot. It's just, I cannot stand it. It's so cute. I feel like I'm always hype in the morning. And usually people are always asking me, do I drink in the morning? I'm like, no, I just have a natural high. Get on top of it. Get on top of life, y'all. Because the excitement is everlasting sometimes. No, some days I have my days though. Real. Let me get this drink and I'll be back. Usually not off on Fridays, but I'm excited about this one. Yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm waiting in the car right now just to see what is going on. I'm just gonna wait till 9 o'clock because 9 o'clock is my appointment. So no need for me to be going up, and then they may be open already, but my appointment is at 9 o'clock. So, and they said walk-ins are welcome, but y'all, if y'all know me, I'm on time for everything. And I expect everybody else to be exactly that. I need some water, y'all, but this is so good. Be back when I walk into the braid shop. This is what my hair is looking like. It is so thin and brittle. Y'all, I just wanted to show you all my first set of baby hairs on my edges. Crazy, right? Is looking like when I get home, I'm gonna show you the full hair sculpt situation. It looks so good already. I haven't had my hair professionally done in forever because I am always wanting to do stuff myself. So yeah, I'll show you guys once I get home. So this is my first set of braids since about 2020 was the last time I actually had braids on loose natural hair. And then I went locked. I continue to put braids in my hair throughout my, like, the beginning part of my lock journey. But it got to a point where my hair was just way too thick for me to continue putting braids in my hair because it just didn't look as seamless. But these are my braids. These are my first set of braids since taking my locks out, and I absolutely love it. And if y'all follow me on social media, I know nobody's following me on social media, but if you go on my social media, you will see that. And of course here that you already know that I took my locks out, but this is what it's looking like, and I really, really love it. It's so adorable, so cute. I cannot wait to explore other styles in my hair. So this is what it's looking like. I feel like a new person with my hair. And I also want to say thank you to the ladies in the shop. They really went in. I had like we started off with one person on my hair, then it went to two, then it went to three, and it went back to one. You know how it go in the braid shop. Yeah, and they was able to do my hair in about under 3 hours. So I'll really appreciate that because I needed to go to the mall to find me something to wear. Because I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear the dress that I had. But I still went to the mall to see if I could find something else, which I did not. Being in the beauty shop reminded me of being back home because they were Africans in there and Caribbean people in there braiding hair, and it reminded me of the ladies that I used to be around when I was a little girl, and I used to do my hair, and they're, you know, talking crap to each other. It just brought me back home, and I kind of really missed that. So yeah, it was really nice to sit there too. Right, so it was also, I always got my hair, I've always done my hair and my nails and things like that, and it was so nice for someone else to do my hair for me. I'm looking outside, y'all. So if I'm looking up, that's what I'm looking outside. I have a window in front of me. But it was nice to have somebody else do my hair and of course my nails, which last year I decided I was gonna allow other people to do stuff for me. I decided I'm not gonna do any DIYs. Let me just try to see. The thing is, I'm sensitive about my hair, and my hair is not right. I'm upset, and I sat there for so long, and for my hair not to be done in a correct manner, it's just gonna make me upset. So I did. It's a whole story, y'all. But I just decided I wanted someone else to do my nails and someone else to do my hair, and I really, really enjoy this. So I'm gonna continue doing that. I'm already thinking about the next style to put in my hair for my next braid, but you'll see. Stick with me here. So I feel great about it. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, comment, and subscribe if you got to the end of this video. Bye, y'all.